Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And we're starting a new month. And what will we do when we start a new month? We take a look at the market share of the different Windows versions. Well, Windows 10 dominating, of course, 69.2% of all computers are now running the Windows 10 operating system. And this is a nice jump because if you look at January, 67.35. So to jump to 69.23, it's almost 2% jump. I think the fact that Windows 7 is, of course, moving away is actually giving some momentum to the Windows 10 operating system. So this is nice to see that actually you are getting a nice bump in the Windows operating system. Windows 7 is also dropping faster. So in January, Windows 7 was at 24.9. In February, it drops to 23.13. So that's not far from a 2% downwards turn for Windows 7. I guess, the fact that there was a lot of announcements and a lot of talk about the Windows 7 end of support is having people move away. So, you can almost translate the 2% gain of Windows 10 into the 2% fall of Windows 7. I would guess a lot of enterprise in there have moved some Windows 7 machines to Windows 10. We'll probably see that kind of momentum for a little while. Then it was going to stabilize and come back to kind of normal. Windows 8.1 is at 4.69%. Windows 8 at 1.3%. Windows XP still at 1.15%. And Vista at 0.44%. So Windows 10 probably beating 70% next month in April. Of course, when we have the new numbers. Kind of interesting to see. And, we probably are very close, if not already there, to that 1 billion Windows 10 computers around the world, which is a pretty amazing number when you think about it. And probably makes Microsoft very happy. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.